When it comes to outdoor adventures and travel, having a perfect Bluetooth speaker by your side can make all the difference. In this video, I have curated a list of the best 5 Bluetooth speakers that are tailor-made for outdoor enthusiasts and globetrotters. These speakers not only pack a punch in terms of sound quality, but also offer features that enhance your on-the-go audio experience. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth Portable Speaker. Meet the Bose SoundLink Flex, a true marvel in portable audio technology. Its state-of-the-art design, coupled with custom-engineered transducers, delivers deep, clear, and immersive audio whether you're home or on the move. The proprietary Position Q technology ensures optimal sound quality in any orientation or environment. This waterproof marvel meets I67 standards, meaning it's ready to withstand water and dust, and even floats, perfect for outdoor adventures. With a rechargeable battery that offers up to 12 hours of playtime, a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, and seamless Bluetooth pairing within a 30-foot range, the SoundLink Flex is your perfect travel companion. The Bose Connect app ensures you're always up to date with the latest features. Plus, the Bose Simple Sync technology lets you pair it with compatible Bose products for a surround sound experience that follows you wherever you go. Number 2 is TREBLAB HD77 Blue Bluetooth Portable Speaker. Experience sound and color in a whole new way with the TREBLAB HD77. This Bluetooth speaker boasts a vibrant design and dual-bass stereo surround sound that remains crisp even at high volumes. Its impressive 20-hour playtime ensures your music lasts from sunrise to sunset. And don't worry about the elements, the HD77 is built to withstand any environment with its IPX6 rated waterproof design. Need more sound coverage? With TWS technology, you can connect 2 HD77 speakers for an exceptional 360-degree sound experience. Plus, TREBLAB's commitment to quality means they stand by their product with a 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. Number 3 is JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth Portable Speaker. Small but mighty, the JBL Clip 4 delivers surprising audio richness and punchy bass. Its ultra-portable design, colorful fabrics, and integrated carabiner make it perfect for exploring the world while enjoying your favorite tunes. With I67 waterproof and dustproof rating, the Clip 4 is ready to accompany you on any adventure. Its one-touch Bluetooth connection lets you effortlessly stream music from your devices. Clip it on and go discover the world while your music goes with you. Number 4 is MIATONE QBOX Bluetooth 5.0 speakers. Immerse yourself in sound with the MIATONE QBOX. With precision acoustic stereo drivers that provide 16 W of powerful audio, this Bluetooth speaker delivers impeccable sound quality. The dual pairing Bluetooth feature lets you connect 2 speakers for an incredible 360-degree sound experience. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, while the I67 waterproof certification ensures it can handle outdoor sports and activities. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, rapid pairing, and a stable connection are guaranteed, allowing for convenient hands-free calling up to 100 away from your device. Number 5 is Sony SRS-X B13 Extra Bass Portable Bluetooth Travel Speaker. For those who crave extra bass, the Sony SRS-X B13 is a game changer. Its sound diffusion processor spreads sound far and wide, creating an immersive audio experience. With an I67 rating, the speaker is both waterproof and dustproof, making it an ideal choice for outdoor adventures. The 16-hour battery life ensures your music accompanies you throughout the day. Its compact design and multi-way strap allow for easy portability, and you can even add an extra speaker for stereo sound. With Bluetooth connectivity and hands-free calling, The SRS-X B13 ensures you stay connected while enjoying your favorite tunes. In conclusion, elevate your outdoor adventures with these Bluetooth speakers. Whether you're embarking on a rugged hike, enjoying a beach day, or simply relaxing outdoors, the right Bluetooth speaker can elevate your experience. From Bose's cutting-edge technology to TREBLAB's vibrant design, JBL Ultra portability, MIATONE's immersive sound, and Sony's extra bass power, these speakers cater to various preferences and needs. With features like waterproofing, extended battery life, and advanced connectivity, these speakers are not just accessories, they're your ultimate outdoor audio companions. Choose the one that resonates with your style and embark on a journey of sound that will accompany you wherever your adventures take you.